Hi traders, before we get into today's analysis, I just wanted to give you a personal invitation to my free Forex trading webinars. You can register by using the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you there. Let's now get into the charts. Last week the dollar CAD rallied back to monthly resistance, 132.66 and failed. Then the last rally held at weekly resistance. So now if we can just further decline a little bit, then look for a rally back to daily resistance, 131.77. Can that level hold for a move down targeting 130.78 weekly support? Okay, moving on to dollar franc. Last week we were getting support at 89.26 monthly support. You can see price holding along here. So we did test that level once more yesterday. Well, 89.26 hold as support for a further move up this week. And can we target 90.02 and move above that level this week? Is monthly support going to hold and confirm the start of a new upward move? Alright traders, moving on to dollar yen. Very much driven by the carry trade. Testing at the moment 143.52 daily resistance. It would be nice to see as a trader a pullback to the last level of broken resistance. That's at 142.17. That's actually a historical monthly high. Can we pull back to 142.17, 142.100? Hold for the next move up to move above the daily resistance level that we're testing at the moment at 143.52. And targeting a move up towards 145.89 weekly resistance. So as a trader, it'd be nice to see a dip and then look for an opportunity to buy for the next advance. Okay traders, on to Euro Pound. Now we are definitely getting support at the moment at the weekly and monthly support area here, 85.65 down to 47. And we've moved up to a higher top, so we could be forming a higher bottom here. Last two candles have been dipping back down to monthly support. We may well see another dip down, so can this area hold as support this week for a move up to test 86.12 daily resistance, and can we continue that newly formed daily chart uptrend there? So will the weekly monthly support area hold for an advance back up the range this week? Alright traders, on to the New Zealand yen. Now while this looks positive, we actually finished negative last week. That's Friday's close, closing below the monthly resistance level. So Monday was positive, this is getting into Tuesday's trading, so the question is, can we hold above 88.16 monthly resistance this week? Can we break above the daily resistance level at 88.55 and continue to move up? It's very high up at the moment for the New Zealand yen. If we see a move back below 88.16, watch for 88.16 to become resistance for a move down. So this pair could go either way, even though it's looking relatively positive at the moment. At the start of the week we did finish down last week, closing below monthly resistance. Alright traders, on to the New Zealand dollar, last pair to review today. Now what would help the New Zealand yen move up is if the New Zealand dollar can move up. Now we are getting support in this area of day support, 61.34 down to weekly support at 61.10. We were down in that area yesterday and popped back up. So we'll look for further support in this area. If we can dip down, can that hold as support for a move up to retest 62.03 this week? And can we move above that area? Or does that simply hold once more for another move back down to support? It's rather range bound at the moment. The higher time frame weekly trend is down, so we may just stay a little bit range bound here at the moment as we wait for the next major news event to come out. The support hold at the moment for a move back up to retest 6203 daily resistance. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.